Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kayam New Things. If you are new here and like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to Kayam New Things and click the notification bell for upcoming latest fashion and lifestyle content. And follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Today I have these two sneakers from Puma and Adidas. At the top of the Puma box, of course, have Puma branding logo, and friends, at the side of the box again branding Puma and written soft form plus optimal comfort. And friends, at the side of the box written text. I guess this is the sneakers color mention and the material information. At the bottom of the box, friends, you can see the size conversion such as UK kids, UK adult size, UK kids men sizes, US women sizes, Europe sizes and JP sizes. At this side, friends, you can see the model number is 38111102. The size is 10 UK and the MRP is 5599 rupees. Friends, you don't have to pay for this. I got it from Amazon.in for around rupees 3321 rupees. Date of month May 2022 and the country of origin in China. ycmproducts.com. This is the box dimension 320 into 195 into 115. Let's unbox the Puma sneakers. Let me side the paper wrapper out. Let me take out the packet. The name of the sneaker is Puma Unisex-Adult Club Sneaker. Just look at these sneakers. At the side of the Puma sneakers logo, if we talk about its upper body, the whole body is made out of synthetic leather as it is Puma and it is a good brand. So you get to see the high quality leather. Although it is not genuine leather, but you get synthetic leather, the quality is very good. Puma stripe design on the side on which through stitching details has been done, and on it Puma's branding has been done in golden color. We talk about the outer sole. You get a rubber outer sole as this is a low top sneaker. Definitely such soles look good on it. On the other side, that is, if you see on the inner side of the sneaker, you get same Puma stripe design here. Friends, Puma stripe design, it looks beautiful. If we talk about the tongue, the whole tongue is made out of synthetic leather. You get a tongue holder in the center. On the inside, you get textile fabric. On the top, you get Puma's golden branding. A little padding has been done in it. If we talk about the padding on the side, the padding is very good and its inner cushion is very soft and good. At the back also you get Puma's logo branding in golden color. On the side you get Puma's branding in it too. Friends, let's wear the Puma Unisex-Adult Club Sneakers. And mesh tongue has not been given it, though on the side the craziest design and you get Puma branding logo below. Overall, it is a beautiful and amazing black low top sneaker. Friends, you can go for it and it is at a very good price. I mentioned the link in the description box below in the video. Alright, the next beautiful white sneaker of Adidas. At the top of the box you see the Adidas logo and the side of the box mention the information. The name of the sneakers is Grand Count Base 2.0 and the MRP is 6599 rupees. Friends, you don't have to pay for this. Don't worry, I got it from Amazon.in for around rupees 3658. And friends, on the other side have nothing written, only Adidas branding, and the bottom of the box Date of month June 2022 and country of origin made in Indonesia. Let's unbox the Adidas Grand Code 2.0 sneakers. Well, its name is Adidas Grand Code Base 2.0 white sneakers. Friends, you get the Adidas tag, and if you talk about the sneakers, its upper body is made out of synthetic leather has been used in it. And since it is white, so you will not have any problem cleaning. Friends, on the side get in blue and 3 red unique Adidas stripes, which is looking very beautiful. One thing here is that it has both been given on the outer side, and you get white color laces in it. Its outer sole is made out of rubber, and outside also you get Adidas branding, and below you get a Adidas branding. You don't have to get any metal links, and this sneakers tongue is made out of engineered mesh. On the top you get Adidas branding with this cloth patch. If I tell the truth, it's not very good. You get Adidas branding on the inner sole, and the inner sole is very good. In this full leather shoe, friends, the mesh tongue is giving a very unique look, and at the back you get Adidas branding is black, and the padding on the side is decent. If we see till a little padding has been done, friends, now where you will feel a hard. Overall, if we talk about the shoe, I got it at a very great price, and it is white sneaker. And friends, with many outfit can be easily paired. You can also do so by wearing with your legs. And blue, red and white color sneaker stripe together are creating a good vibes. Friends, let's wear the Adidas Men Grand Code Base 2.0 sneakers. Friends, let's compare the Puma and Adidas sneaker side by side. Friends, begin with color. Puma sneaker is black and Adidas sneaker is white. And friends, this Puma sneaker is unisex sneakers. On the other hand, Adidas Grand Code Base 2.0 sneaker is a men's sneakers. Puma stripe design on the side, on which through stitching detailing has been done and on it. While the Adidas sneaker on the other side you get blue and 3 red unique Adidas stripes. And the next thing is Puma's branding has been done in golden color on the side, and in the Adidas sneaker you get at the back Adidas branding is black. And at the top of the sneakers, friends, they are both basically same, such as branding at the top. Laces are the same type of material. Friends, they are both have tongue holder. And friends, only two difference is front design and sneakers tongue. Puma's tongue made out of synthetic leather and Adidas tongue is engineered mesh tongue. And if we talk about the inner sole, I feel Puma's sneakers inner sole is little bit soft. Puma's called soft foam, and the inner sole of Adidas sneaker is less comfy to Puma sneaker. And friends, if we talk about the padding on the sneakers, if I tell the truth, the padding is good on Adidas sneakers rather than Puma sneakers. And friends, the side design of the sole, they are not the same design, only the same branding name. And friends, if we talk about the outer sole of the sneaker, design is not the same, and the both sneaker outer sole have rubber material. And friends, I like both of his outer soles. and also you get both below, you get branding. In the end, both Adidas and Puma sneakers are very much beautiful and great. Although both sneakers are not top level sneakers, and friends, price wise both have the same amount of price starting from 3500. Friends, on the final conclusion of Puma Unisex-Adult Club Sneakers and Adidas Grand Code Page 2.0 sneakers. Friends, are you looking for a stylish and fashionable sneaker under best and budget? So Puma and Adidas sneakers are perfect for you. Or friends, are you thinking of upgrading more out of these sneakers? So I recommend to you Pumas. One is Puma Unisex-Adult Gravitational Pro sneakers and another is Adidas Unisex-Adult Grand Code 2.0 sneakers. I mention all the sneakers links in the description box below in the video. That is everything I want to show you about Puma and Adidas sneakers. I hope are you gonna like the video. If are you gonna like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new here to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel Kayam New Things. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.